So having long hair as a guy is quite special, but as we are not like the girls who were practically born with it, we haven't got a habit of managing our hair, and for that reason, long hair can prove to be a nuisance to us sometimes. Especially when doing some specific work such as reading or writing, or even if the day is too hot. And the situations get even worse when your hair is in awkward stage, or you just like to keep your hair at shoulder length. But luckily I have had long hair for years now, so I think I might be able to help you guys. So when I'm working or just don't want my hair to fall down on my face, I'll just put it in a bun. And usually I open my bun again after 1 hour or so because the thing I was doing would have been completed by then. But by any chance, if I manage to sit around working for a longer period of time, I'll just give little breaks to my hair every hour or so and keep my hair open while massaging the scalp a little for 2 or 3 minutes. That way I'm reducing the damage caused to the hair follicles due to the continuous pulling of the hair in the bun. But if your hair is not long enough to be put in a man bun yet, you can simply use a hairband of this sort to keep it out of the way while working. And of course, when I'm doing anything that includes sweating, I'll just put my hair in a high bun to keep as much length dry and away from the sweat as I can. I know it's really subjective, but to me, this type of bun doesn't look very good. But then again, what can we do? And if I'm outside rocking open hair, but the day is too hot, I'll just put my hair in a half bun or a full bun depending on the place and the heat. And yet another problem arises when we wash our hair, as we cannot put our hair in a bun because then it will take way longer to dry, plus it is damaging for the hair follicles to be pulled that way when wet. So in such situation, I'll just make a middle partition and spread the hair all over my head as evenly as I can so that it can dry faster. And I'll just avoid doing anything that requires me to look downwards, because that is going to put the hair in front of my face, and I'll just stick to the things that require me to look straight instead. And by the way, if you've enjoyed the video so far, a like to this video and a sub to the channel will be really appreciated. Another piece of advice that I have for you guys is that I do all these things because I can right now. So it doesn't mean if I keep my hair in a bun all day every day, I'm gonna get bald. It's just that I wanna protect my hair while I still can. And not long ago, I didn't open my bun for 8 days straight because I couldn't. So please don't stress too much over these things. Just make sure to do whatever you can while you can. And with that being said, I'll see you guys around.